Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our account. Plus, we've got a bunch of glitches to talk about as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and let y'all know that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list video for you all yesterday. So if you missed out on that one, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, some of y'all may have noticed that we do have new Dollar General cashback offers on our Dollar General app. Now, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to work this, if we want to do a separate video for coupons and then another video for cashback offers, or if you guys would like to see those all in one video. Let me know your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. For now, I'm going to keep it separate for sure, because I think it can just be overwhelming and too confusing. So for today's video, we are only going to be focusing on the new coupons. I do mention a couple of cashback offers, but nothing major. And also just a quick tip, if you want to just see your new coupon offers, you can pull that up on the website. They have not added the cashback offers to the website yet. Now, last week I did upload 2 videos talking about the new Dollar General cashback offers, how this program is supposed to work, some things that you guys need to be on the lookout for, some things that you need to be aware of, and I also put together some really good deals, and we also have some glitches that I've sprinkled throughout those videos. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And just know, for future reference, just because I don't put the word glitch in the title or on the thumbnail does not mean that there will not be glitches in my videos. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5 of 25 for Saturday. Next up, we've got a new 2-off-1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We also received a new Finish coupon. It's a 50-cent off one. Keep in mind, we do have higher value coupons. We've got 1-off-1 coupons plus 150-off-1 coupons. We also have those same coupons on the Coupons app and the Shopkick app. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one up for now. Moving on down, we have a 3-off-1 for the Bic razors. Those start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Which is a great deal. We're going to pass on this Colgate coupon because we still have a higher value 2-off-1. Next up, we've got a 1-off-1 for our Tide products. So those start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. I'm really glad to see this coupon back. It's 1-off-1 for these Swiffer products. So these start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. You can pick up the refills, the duster starter kits. So that's going to be a really good deal. Alright, moving on down, we have a 2-off-1 for the Airwick automatic spray refills. Those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Moving on down, we have a 1-off-1 for the Colgate mouthwash and the toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the Colgate Max White toothbrush. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. It's also working on the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Next up, we have another really good deal, a 4-off-1 for the Schick Intuition razors. Those are priced at $8.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We also received a 4-off-2 on the Sparkle paper towels. So those are priced at $7.50 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. Moving on down, some more pretty good coupons. We've got a 2-off-1 for the Lysol laundry sanitizers. So those are priced at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. We do have another 2-off-1 digital coupon, and then we also have a cashback offer on the Lysol laundry sanitizers. Next up, we have a 4-off-1 for the CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at just $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. Great filler item for Saturday. Next up, we have a 2-off-3 on the Pepsi 12 packs. Those are on sale right now, 3 for $13. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. We have a 50-cent off one for the Angel Soft bath tissue. This is on the 4 count. They're priced at $3.75 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. One for the Downy liquid fabric softener, and then we also have a one-off one for the Downy scent beads. Both of those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. But keep in mind you might have that exclusive coupon still on your account. It's a 3-off one for the Downy scent beads. So double check your accounts before you clip that one-off one. Moving on, we have a $1.25 off one for the All and Snuggle products. These are on sale this week for $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Plus, we have a DG store coupon that we're going to talk about here in just a few minutes that we can definitely stack with that manufacturer. Next up, we have 75 cents off for the Lysol disinfecting wipes. So these are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. We have a 4-off one for the CoverGirl face products. These start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 2-off one for the Arm & Hammer cat litter. So these are priced at $12.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.85. We have a $4.55 off one for the Kingsford charcoal. This is on the 16-pound bags. So these are priced at $14.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. All right, guys, next up, we have a 50-cent off one for the off-brand products. Now, we do have a higher value coupon at 75 cents off one, and then we also have a higher value cash back offer for $3 back when you purchase one. So your best bet, if you need to pick up some bug spray this week, is to go with that cash back offer. Now, moving on down, we have a one-off two for the 20-ounce crush and root beer and ginger ales. We also have a 2-off one for the Mucinex. We also have this one-off two for the Crush ginger ale and the Pepsi 6-packs. There's a lot included with this coupon. So the 2 liters are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. However, on the 6-packs, specifically on the Pepsi ones, those are on sale this week. 3 for $11. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3. Moving on, we have a 4-off one for the Schwarzkopf hair color, 50 cents off one for the Reynolds wrap, $2.80 off one for the Folgers Classic Roast Coffee. This is on the larger cans. They're priced at $10.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. All right, moving on, we have a one-off one for the Tide Simply. Those start out at $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. However, this coupon is glitching. It's not a great glitch, but it's still a glitch. It's working on the large Downy Rinse and Refresh. Those are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. Again, I know it's not a great glitch, but I know some people really love that product. So if you have to pick it up, you might as well save at least $1, right? All right, moving on, another really good deal. We have a buy one, get one free on the Pace sauces. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. All right, next up, we have a one-off one for the Ziploc products. Those are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. We also have a one-off one for the CoverGirl and the Pine Sol. Those aren't attaching to anything in the app, but I went ahead and clipped them to my account. Moving on, we have a 2-off one for the Dove Beauty Bar, 6 count or larger. Those are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 3 count cherry scent Dove bar soaps. Those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Here we have some DG store coupons. So we have this 2-off 2 for the Chips Ahoy and the Clover Valley ice cream. We also have the 5-off 15 for the Snuggle All and Purex products. That DG store coupon is back, so that is good to see, and will be great to stack on Saturday with our 5-off 25. Next up, we also have a new 5-off 30 for our Gain products. That one doesn't expire until July the 1st. We also have a one-off one for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the B12 60 count, those are priced at $2.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. Great deal there. We also have 50 cents off one for the True Living trash bags. Those are priced at $4.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. And this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 2 count True Living paper towels. Those are priced at $3.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20. Right underneath it, you're going to see a one-off one for the True Living paper towels. Again, those are priced at $3.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70. Then we're going to talk about this 2-off 3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. So these are actually on sale right now, 3 for $14. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 3. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Sprite Lemonade 20 ounce. So those are priced at $2.25 after the coupon. You're going to pay $4.75 for 3. We also have the DG Health triple antibiotic ointment. We have a 1-off-1 coupon for those. So these are priced at $2.85 after the coupon. You're going to pay $1.85. We have a 7-off 2 for the PerserVision. Buy 3, get 1 free on the Reese's and the Paydays. We also have a 3-off 10 on the Dove products. Now, this coupon is not working on all Dove products, unfortunately. I haven't tried to scan anything, but as of right now, I'm not seeing any body wash. It's mostly shampoos, conditioners, and deodorants. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on a lot of the travel size stuff. So this coupon is working on the Dove 1.6 ounce deodorants. They're priced at $3. There's also some priced at $4.50. This is also working on the travel size shampoos and conditioners. They're priced at $2.50 each. It is also working on the travel size dry spray priced at $2.65 and the travel size solid deodorant 0.5 ounce. They're priced at $1.75. So if you pick up a product and you just need something cheap to throw in there to use that 3-off 10, keep those travel size products in mind. Alright guys, now I don't want to keep y'all too much longer, so before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.